Welcome to the Windows Club. If USB ports are not working on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to power cycle your computer. Switch off your computer, router and modem, all the three devices. Now switch on your modem and wait till the lights are stable. Then switch on your router and finally switch on your computer. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Go to the attached article here, copy the command line mentioned here, press the Windows key and the R button together, paste the command line here and hit enter. This will invoke the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next to run the same. The next solution is to disable fast startup. To do so, press the Windows key and the R button together, type power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Click on choose what the power button does. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and after that uncheck the switch associated with turn on fast startup and then click on save changes. The last solution will be to scan for hardware changes in the device manager. For this, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command devmgmt.msc and hit enter to open the device manager window. Now click on Universal Serial Bus Controllers, select Action and click on Scan for hardware changes. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.